Here in GIMP, we use a simple Paintbrush here. Shortcut for Paintbrush is P. And then we're just doing a very simple sketch here. And the size of the brush size here is 14 pixels, which is fair for a drawing of this particular resolution. In this instance, it's actually 1K or 1024 times 1024 pixels. The end result should always be 512 pixels times 512 pixels if you're using it for any generative tools such as Architectural Sketchscape or Contextual Sketchscape. So that is one thing to think of. If you're drawing in a larger image resolution, like for this, like in this instance, then you have to make sure to go to Image in the top left here, go to Image and Scale Image, and make sure that the final output resolution is 512 times 512 pixels. And like I said, this is a very basic and fairly inaccurate sketch. The better sketch you're making in terms of perspective and the better output you can expect, of course. But this is just for testing, so it's no matter. To export, simply press Ctrl, Shift and E. And here in the export interface, you have to make sure that the file name suffix of your intention is correct. The file suffix name that you choose here, in this case .png, that will determine in the next step the export settings for that particular file format. So .png, default settings, and you're done.